we bring you melody from out of the sky, my brother and I. Hello, everyone. This is Bob and Alf Pearson. Our melody this week tells the story of the 7 veils. Once the king of Hokum Pokum called his cavaliers and said, "You dogs, I haven't had a thrill in 20 years. What about it? What about it?" And the boys said, "Wait." Far and wide they sought for what would thrill their weary king. At last they rode back home and cried, "We have the very thing. It's a dancer, what a dancer." And the king said, "Great." They call her 7 veils. Her magic never fails. She's caused 1,000 scandals, and we're not telling fairy tales. Far over hills and dales, she's wrecked 1,000 mails. Okay, is what the king said. Bring on your 7 veils. She began to twist and turn. The king just yawned and looked real stern. Off came a little veil, 1. Then she trembled once or twice. The king said, "Boys, I'm cold as ice." Off came another veil, 2. She shook like bay leaves in a storm. The king cried, "Gosh, I'm getting warm." Off came another veil, 3. Then she jived just like a cat. The king said, "Mama, buy me that." Off came another veil, 4. She danced around and how she tripped. The king said, "Hope the next one's ripped." Off came another veil, 5. Then she shook from toes to ears. The king put out 3 chandeliers. Off came another veil, 6. Then came a terrible din. Just as she reached for the 7th veil, the queen came walking in. Oh, oh, that 7th veil. That damsel went to jail, and that king just goes on dreaming. He dreams of the 7th fool. The 7th veil.